Cecht Kegahain, 51. So after they crammed all kinds of stuff into chapter 50, lesson 50, they give you a real short, easy one in 51. So you're getting a break on this one. This is really reviewing a structure that you've seen before. Tame imahi, Beme imali, imma, or in or in his, or in theirs, or whatever. That structure. You can use that for a temporary state of being, where you would normally say, Ismun chorme, I am a teacher. If you were a teacher in the past, but you're not now, or if you're going to be a teacher, or would like to be a teacher, you wouldn't use the copular necessarily. You could use this temporary construction with the in the state of being. So, vime imawunchur, bawalam ave imawunchur. So, that's how that works. And that's really, this whole chapter is about that. The structures, the sentences are also using some of the structures from other lessons, like bawalam ave, dershe, gameshe, and things like that. So you need to remember a lot of things, but it's actually a very easy chapter to go over. There's one little thing. Why is it ave? I was just wondering that myself, and I looked it up. If you read the official Christian, the official grammar in Irish, there's a little asterisk about the verbal noun for ave. It's ave, except in a couple of circumstances, not just ve by itself. So it's just one of those exceptions. So there is a reason, and it is pretty consistently ave. So that answers that question. Have fun studying. Bye.